What's up, you guys? It's Dolly coming at you with another video on our series Beginner Tips and Tricks. Be sure to check out all the videos on there. And we're going to be learning all the black major chords. So starting off with C sharp major, you're going to be putting your thumb on C sharp, your third finger on F, and your fifth finger on G sharp. So yeah. Then next is going to be D sharp major. It's going to be your thumb on D sharp, your third finger on G, and then your fifth finger on A sharp. Next is going to be F sharp major, so it's going to be your thumb on F sharp, your third finger on A sharp, and then your fifth finger on C sharp. Next is going to be G sharp major, and you're going to be putting your thumb on G sharp, your third finger on C, then your fifth finger on D sharp. Next is going to be A sharp major or B flat. Usually we say B flat in piano terms, but because we're keeping it in sharp, let's do A sharp major. So you're going to be putting your thumb on A sharp, and then your third finger on D, and then your fifth finger on F. There you have it. Let's review. And that's it. Those are all the black major chords. Be sure to like and share this video and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.